Hello, I am Veena Khandelwal. In this video, we will learn about Python-Tkinter MessageBox widget. The Tkinter MessageBox module provides a template-based class as well as a variety of convenience methods for commonly used configurations. The message boxes are modal and will return a subset of true, false, okay, none, yes, no values based on the user's selection of the message box. There are different kinds of message box. The first is information message box, where we can display some information with the help of show info. Then there are warning message boxes that can show warning or can show error. Then there are different question message boxes which depend upon the type of question, like only ask question, ask okay cancel question, ask retry cancel question, ask yes no question, and ask yes no or cancel question. Now we'll execute these message boxes with the help of the program. So here you import the Tkinter module. We also import MessageBox module and import it as a variable msg. We define the root window, size of the root window. Then we define a button on the root window. The text on the button is pop-up, and when this button is pressed, it executes the function pop-up. When we go to the pop-up function, it uses the message box show info. We write msg here because we have imported message box widget as msg. So we write msg.showInfo. The title of the pop-up is information and the text on the message box show info is hello world. And as usual, when we use any widget, we need to pack it. So we pack the button widget and then execute the program. So here we see that this is the root window. The button on the root window is with the text pop-up, and when we click it, the pop-up function is executed. So when we click it, the pop-up function gets executed. When we go to the pop-up function, it shows the message box show info, where the title of the pop-up is information. So the title here is information, and the text in the pop-up is hello world. So the text here is hello world. We also execute different types of message boxes with this example. Here we once again import the Tkinter library, import the message box as msg, and we define the root window. Then we place the button on the root window with the text is equals to quit and the command is equals to callback. When we execute the callback function, then it displays message box widget ask yes no. With this as the title of the window, this is the text on the pop-up window. Then if this returns yes, then it shows the show warning message box with the title warning and the text as not yet implemented. And if this message box widget returns no, it goes to else and displays show information with the pop-up message box window with the title information and quit has been cancelled on the pop-up window. We also show one more button with the button 1 where the text is equals to answer, and when this button is clicked, it goes to the command is equals to answer. This means that this function answer is executed, where this function displays the message box of show error, where the title of the pop-up window which opens is the error and the text to be displayed is this. Now let us execute this program. So here as we see two buttons, quit and answer, as we have written here. The first button is quit and the second button is answer. So let us execute the answer button first. So when we click the answer button, it displays the show error message widget, where message box widget, where the title is error and the text to be displayed on the message box is sorry, no answer is available. So here this is the showing error. This is the show error message box widget. If we press quit, then it's ask yes or no message box. So here it is yes and no message box. The name of the title of the message box is verify. So here the title is verify and the text to be displayed on the message box is really quit here. So this is ask yes no options are there with the title and the text to be displayed. Now if this message box returns yes, it goes to show warning, otherwise it goes to show info. So if I press yes, it displays the show warning message box widget with the title warning and the text is not yet implemented. And if we press no over here, this function returns no and it goes to the else part where we display some show info message box with the title information and the text to be displayed as quit has been cancelled and OK. Thanks for watching video.